Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al getting in contact with you guys. Got to talk about some dog in me. I got to be honest with you. This is a good situation. Now, consider yourself to be in a point where you have the opportunity to invest in a coin that's on Coinbase that is down right now, but at the same time has the opportunity or the potential to become as much as maybe even $1 billion market cap. Now, if you are not willing to take that risk, then that might be some situation where, how can I say, uh, if you're willing to do that, then perhaps you will be extremely rewarded. The question is, can you take the chance on walking away and missing out on that opportunity? But remember, what we say on the channel is not financial advice. However, if you like what you see today, we just ask you to like and subscribe to us. We are growing, and we just ask that you grow with us. We really appreciate you guys. Now, that opportunity that I see right now is dogging me. Currently, dogging me is down 8% or so. Now, let's go and look at the 7 day. It's down again. 12% for the month? It is down 25%. For the year, it is up. All of a sudden, notice that it's up right here at 36%. So that's something to consider there. So what we got to understand in this particular situation, as we're looking at what we're looking, we see that dog and me, although it's been down lately, it is still up for the year. Keep that in mind and don't get yourself in, how can I say, a state of panic. One of the things I noticed about the market is that, first of all, things are going in the order in which we said they were. Now, let's go ahead and look a little bit. Let's go back to the overall market as well. Now, notice that Bitcoin is down a little bit, Ethereum's down a little bit. The market's going to have its ebbs and flows. We're not too worried about that at all. I want you to notice also that, like I've been saying for the last few sessions, that BNB is way up from where it was. BNB is a large cap. Also, you got some of your other larger caps like Solana, et cetera, that are over 200. So it appears that if anything is getting ready to make a move, it is our larger caps. So let's keep that in mind, right? So I want you to see that right here we're at fear and greed, we're at neutral. The market cap is still over 4 trillion. Not a whole lot has changed. It's just the fact that we had a little bit of a slowdown. Now, go to the Bitcoin dominance. With the Bitcoin dominance, you see it's at 58.6%. So, and we have Ethereum at 12.7%. Some of you guys who were watching us earlier remember when Ethereum was under 10%, it was like 8%, 9%. And so therefore Ethereum was way down from where it was. Also, Ethereum being at 4,400, it wasn't too long ago, a few months back, that it was like at 1,700. So basically, it would almost triple your Ethereum value by just staying in the how can I say, staying with the mission here, so to speak. So, or staying in the boat. Something to consider very strongly, because one of the things about the market, once things start to pass you by, they're pretty much passing you by. Now, going back to Dog and Me, Dog and Me has a simple website, etc. Got that dog in you, really nice little picture, etc. We got the what's this? The 69 billion Dog and Me tokens. Stealth launch deployed on L2. Token contracts mutable. One of the things I will say for sure, that don't forget that Dog and Me is on base, right? And Dog and Me already has a strong community, so let's keep that in mind as well. Going to the X site, also known as Twitter, and so the community of Dog and Me is very strong. Got a lot of great artwork here, etc. Really good picture there. Got that dog in me. So I like this right here. A lot of you guys may or may not follow American baseball, but The Los Angeles Dodgers are really like winning big time. I think they just won their series against the Philadelphia Phillies. And right here, and I hope I am pronouncing his name correctly, but if I'm not, you guys can tell me. But it's Kike Hernandez, one of the members of the team, has his bit, and he's got that dog in me shirt on. But his dog is a little bit of a Chihuahua instead of the regular dog you see, the blue dog for dog in me, but that's okay. But he's still got that dog in him, so very good. So something to consider. It's a lot of nice information here. That's definitely Apple, Steve Jobs with the dog in him. Another dog in me commercial. A lot of community work, dog in me communities information here. So let me just look real quick. Yep, there's another one. Ah, oh, that's pretty cool. That was the base. That's the base symbol right there. Pretty cool. All right. Let me see. Is the dog gonna come out? This looks pretty good. Uh, oh, there you go. It's the dog. Yeah, that is hilarious. Dog and me. Let's go a little bit further down. Like I said, there's a lot of great things on the site. Here's Muhammad Ali. Got that dog in him. It's another one I wanted to show you guys. This is a really good one. Only you can save you. This is very powerful and very poignant. There's another one I want you guys to see if I can find it real quick. Just because I think these are really, really a lot of fun. Let's see if I can find it. Is this the one? Yeah. I like this one. You're looking inside the skeleton, and there's the dog right there. I just had to show you guys that one. That was kind of fun. So this is on the X site. So I just thought you guys might want to see that. Dog keeps coming out of the X-ray chest. The dog in me. I thought that was pretty cool. Now let's keep it moving a little bit. I'm sorry, I just got a little bit caught up in the community site, so my apologies if I stayed on that a little bit too long. Let's go ahead and look at a little bit of news here. And right here, this is talking about the top 10 meme coins. According to Crypto Firestarters, the top 10 meme coins in 2025, generating unstoppable demand. So right here, if I go down the list, I am going to see Dog and Me. Dog and Me is one of the boldest meme coins to emerge, capturing viral energy with unapologetic humor and internet native language. It thrives on relatability, connecting with younger traders who resonate with its raw, community-driven vibe. Says, why did this coin make it to the list? Dog and Me is featured among the top 10 meme coins in 2025 due to its raw energy, strong relatability, and growing trading base. So just to give you a heads up on the fact that Dog and Me is on the list. So see if there's anything else we want to talk about with that, but definitely I like the fact that we got the Dog and Me there. See if there's anything else we want to look at real quick. Yeah, look at the chart before we go. I want you to see this, and I want you to understand that this is a great opportunity. This is the 6-month chart. Dog and Me was way up at this level right here. And as a matter of fact, it's been steadily going down. This is probably the best time to buy it, period. The best time to buy it, period. Let me show you why. I'm going to go back to the charts that we had. Remember the 1 year? But right here, all time is still down. So what I'm saying to you, if you're going to buy Dog and Me, this would be probably one of the best times in history to buy it. Why? Because it's at such a small market cap. And I think the timing couldn't be better because of the fact that Once the liquidity is coming into the market, which you'll probably see in a few weeks, this thing is most likely going to move very quickly. So we're looking for dog and me to move. We know that it's on base. We know that every single thing that we need in place is there. So let me see if I can look at the markets it's in as well. I just want to comb through this. Yeah. So dog and B is moving a little bit. Notice right here that it's on Coinbase, Gate. It's also on Mexi, Bing X, a few other smaller sites. But it would not take very long for this meme coin to catch on. It's got a catchy little phrase. The dog is looking really good as far as the artwork. It just takes one little spark, and this dog could go off. So, guys, got to be honest with you. If I were you, and like I said, not financial advice, but even if I had just a small bag of the dog, it would make me sleep better at night knowing that I didn't miss this opportunity. Now, full disclosure, I do have a bag of the dog, and I am just going to keep my eyes open on what's happening. Al, real life investing, enjoying looking at the dog, enjoying the dog in me, and making sure that all of us have that dog in us. Have a great day. We'll talk with you soon. Bye.
Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.